What is a place where customers pay for items called? Options are A. Shelf, B. Checkout counter, C. Basket, D. Aisle. The correct answer is checkout counter. What do customers use to carry many items while shopping? Options are A. Receipt, B. Cart, C. Price tag, D. Label. The correct answer is cart. What word means a row between shelves in a supermarket? Options are A. Aisle, B. Bag, C. Sale, D. Counter. The correct answer is aisle. What is a small paper showing the items bought and the total price? Options are A. Receipt, B. Coupon, C. Basket, D. Shelf. The correct answer is receipt. What word means food kept very cold? Options are A. Fresh food, B. Frozen food, C. Dry food, D. Canned food. The correct answer is frozen food. What is a special lower price called? Options are A. Sale, B. Bill, C. Weight, D. Barcode. The correct answer is sale. What do customers use to carry a few items by hand? Options are A. Basket, B. Trolley, C. Freezer, D. Register. The correct answer is basket. What is the machine area where payment is made called? Options are A. Cash register, B. Price tag, C. Shopping list, D. Grocery bag. The correct answer is cash register. What word means fruits and vegetables in a supermarket? Options are A. Produce, B. Dairy, C. Bakery, D. Meat. The correct answer is produce. What is a list of things to buy called? Options are A. Price list, B. Shopping list, C. Food label, D. Store sign. The correct answer is shopping list.